Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Aneke. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey, hey kings and queen. Yo, welcome back to the channel. My name is Aneke Budgets, and on here we do cash stuffing, budgeting, paying off for that, and minor business, not necessarily in the four orders. So if that is something that you are interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that like button, that bell notification, child, okay? And leave your comments with your 2 cents down below, because baby, this video right here, this one right here, she about to be fire. So y'all, no shade, no girl, no shade, no tea. Let's budget this extra money with me. Come through. Okay, y'all. So per usual, I've zoomed y'all in so y'all can see what the heck is going on all up in my business, because I like to have you up close and personal. Okay. So in today's video, we are gonna be cash stuffing. Well, not cash stuffing, girl. We're gonna be budgeting. We're gonna be budgeting my extra money that they gave us. You know, do what you will with what you got. So I'm gonna be budgeting. That's the money, child. I want to say this one's supposed to last me for like 2 more weeks, because it's a long periodic time. So what I'm going to do is budget it with you. So I don't even know why I'm talking like this, girl. Start writing. So this check is on 21 October 2024. Get on to it, okay? And so this is the extra income that I'm basically getting. So that is what I'm gonna write it as. And you know, it's not a lot, it's not a little bit, but it's like right there in between. It's like real cute. So yeah, so they're giving us an extra, okay, at least giving me, baby, an extra 400 escort, $487.88. I said it. I said it on my chest. So they're giving us an extra $487.88 to do with whatever we like. Really, it's for food, but do I really need all of this for food, child? Anyway, so yeah, that is the amount of money we are going to be budgeting today, and we are excited because, well, we pay no bills. We pays no bills. None at all. No bills. So zero. So when they say go down to expenses, what you got in expenses? $0, 0 cents. $0.00, and my remaining is still my $487.88. We love to see it over here. So let's slide down, little baby, right? And I'm getting my cash envelope so I can just know who's what, where, what, when, who's what, where, what, why, because I don't know all my numbers, but I'm gonna get them all out. So is that all of them? I feel like I'm missing one or something. Ooh, that's just the holidays. That's the saving challenges one. Ain't it? I think. Child, we don't know, but we got money to spend. We got money to budget. That's what we do. We got money to budget. So, first is my... So, first of all, okay, if you're new here, if you're new to budgeting, this is not how you usually do it, but I've paid all my bills, okay? If you haven't seen my Paycheck budget, my first one or my second one, go ahead and check those out, because baby, we've already did what needs to be done. Okay, we was responsible. We is done with our responsibilities for the month. So right now it's a free-for-all. So because that's the case, that's why I have no expenses, because your girl took care of her responsibilities off of her first 2 checks. So now that I'm on to my 3rd check, we are going to basically do, we're basically going to budget what we should, not say what we should have, what we need to budget to make sure that we are good for the rest of the month. You feel me? So my cash envelopes, right? So there is groceries, and I did budget last time, I want to say $100 for it. So for this one, I'm going to budget another $100 just so I'm good for the month. Up until the end of the month, because it is like a little 2-week period. Like, it's a long period of time. It's like 11 days left. Let's see, gas, she don't really need anything last time I checked, so I'm gonna do $0.00 for her, because she has a decent amount. You can see the 20. Okay, household, I'm gonna put money in her because I didn't put money in it the last time, but I did use it, child. Okay, we did use it. So y'all, I'm not gonna put it up there, but I'm gonna put it on here. I forgot to put money on my tithes, child. Ooh, the Lord, he be peeping me now. The Lord side on me just a while ago. I forgot to put my tithes up there. I was so excited not to have to pay an expense. You know what? I don't even want nothing in there. We're just gonna put the tithes down here. So we're gonna keep it as 0 in expenses. We don't like seeing that. But while we at it, we're gonna do household. My household, I'm gonna put $10 in there because I think she got about $8 if I'm not mistaken. My allowance, baby. I'm gonna give myself $20, okay, for my allowance because we're cute. Toiletries right now, I want to say has $6. So I'm gonna give me a 10 because I don't really need much, but I do need to buy I still need to buy hand soap, and I need to, oh my god, what else do I need? No, I don't really think I need anything else. I think that's really all I need, just a hand soap. So I still need to buy the hand soap, so that's it. Hair care is here, but she don't need nothing. I really don't need anything in this moment, just because my best friend sent me some stuff a couple weeks ago, and I have the oils that I need, child, to do everything that I need with hair care, so I don't really need, you know what I'm saying, any more extra money. And then we're gonna talk about the tithes, because the good Lord, I told you, he side-eyed me real heavy just a while ago. So it is 400, right? $487.88. That is my income, and then we're going to multiply that by 10%, which means that that is $48.78, but we round up, so we're going to do $49, okay, praise the Lord. $49 for my tithes. And so, child, I'm gonna need you. We're gonna do the calculation. So that's 100 plus 10 plus 20 plus 10 plus 49. 100, 10, 20, 10, 49. And so that's $189. Oh my gosh, I love to see it. $189. So we're gonna do our 487.88 minus $189, and that leaves me with $298.88. $298.88. Okay, so now we're going to take this money that we have left over here, and we are going to move little baby up to our sinking funds over on the other side. So we're going to close out our cash envelope binder because I don't need her no more. Move her to the side, slide baby down, and then get into the money makers. Okay, the next thing is my sinking funds. All right, so I do have a couple important ones. The first one, of course, being emergency fund. So we are going to put her there. So emergency fund, she is very important, say, okay? And so that is a $50 bill. So that's a 50. And then I think I go to saving challenges, but I don't necessarily want to put an amount for the saving challenges. I want to let the Lord move and use me. So we're going to move that over to the side. I'm going to see if there's any other envelopes that I need to, you know, pay attention to. So there is my birthday, travel, clothing, family birthday, home maintenance, mortgage, car maintenance. Okay, all right. So I do need to put something to my birthday, right? So I think I'm gonna do a $50 bill as well. Ooh, 50's out here. We're gonna have to slow her down. Travel, right? Travel, I think I'm gonna do a $20 bill. Give her a 20. Let's see. Clothing, no. Family birthday, no. Home maintenance. Home maintenance. I think I'm going to do that, and I'm going to give her $20 as well, because, child, you never know what we might need with home. I don't want to do anything with mortgage. I don't want to do anything with car maintenance, and I don't want to do anything with car insurance. So these are the cash envelope. I'm telling you, this free money to do what you please. It's real cute. So for emergency fund, I'm doing $50. My birthday is $50, travel is $20, and home maintenance is $20, so that's $140 right there. And so $298.88, right, which is what I had left over, minus $140 leaves me with $158.88. So $158.88. And right here under additional savings, we're just going to do saving challenges. And we are going to put 100 and... Do I put all $158? No. So the 88 cents, well, yes, we're going to do $158 for the saving challenges, and we will see how that works out, of course. And then I'm going to do emergency extra, emergency fund extra. We are going to do that 88 cents because I can't take out 88 cents out of the bank. I just can't. So we're just going to move that over. So my total is going to be $158.88, which makes me 0 right there. I have nothing going towards debt, which is that, and so that's 0. And then we're going to slide that here. We're going to finish out our categories for everything. So I started off with $487.88. My expenses was 0. My expenses was 0. My cash envelopes was $189, right? Including groceries and everything, groceries, tithes, and all those. My sinking funds was $140. And my savings, additional savings, was $158.88. And I had nothing additional for debt. So debt to me was nada. It was nothing. And so that, if we do 487.88 minus 189 for my cash envelopes, minus 140 for my sinking funds, minus 158.88 for my additional savings, we have $0.00, just the way we likes it. Okay, $0.00. So boom. And y'all, that is it for the budget, and that is how you do it when you have extra money, we ain't got no bills, and you need to get paid. You need to budget and, you know, do your thing. So if you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, leave a comment, and share this video with a family, friend, or foe, and turn on your notifications, child. Turn it on, because, you know, we love to see and have you here. But yeah, I am going to go ahead and fill out the cash withdrawal section over here, and then that is going to be it. That is going to be all. But again, thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Aneke. I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.
How you want to do it? How you want to get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.